Going on, YouTubers? Brennan here with BS Quality. I got another thing sent in the mail by Temu for free. I don't know why. They sent me this flashlight. Anyways, you push the power button, it flashes, it doesn't work. So yes, it doesn't work. Why don't you just charge it? Okay. Here's the charging port. You can see inside the port, there's nothing there. And it's also cracked. So instead of, if it wasn't cracked, you would just unscrew it, get the charging port, glue it back in place, fix it, blah, 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 you're done, right? Yeah, okay, but it's broke. So I figured, let's take it apart and see what's inside and what kind of battery it is, but it just fell apart, so here's the cap. Nice piece of plastic lens. Okay. A wire fell out, which goes to the LED bulb, which obviously goes right here. So the solder part broke. So, okay, here's the headlamp. There's a piece of the casing. I figure since it's just falling apart, you don't need any tools, so maybe we do. So the handle part's made very sturdy. So if anything, you can use it as a hammer. Now it's just flashing one bar. It doesn't stop flashing. Let me get a screwdriver. I'll be right back. I figured I'd make this video since it's 94 degrees outside and I'm not doing too good. My body's working its way back to the ER. I'm not doing too good, so I'm talking about since the kidney failure that I had. Not doing good. So I figured I'd just make a video inside the AC house. Anyways, enough of my boring health issues. Let's just take this apart. I could just get a hammer and smash this into pieces, which it deserves, but shout out to Temu. Thank you for sending me crap as always. Comment below what your experience is with Temu. My stuff arrives in a plastic bag. The boxes are always smashed into pieces. 3/4 of the stuff doesn't work. I'm curious, what's your, how are the things you buy from Temu that you guys get? I get stuff for free all the time. I don't know why. I think they want to embarrass themselves. I've seen YouTubers that are sponsored by Temu, and they talk nothing but highly about them, and they get their stuff and it's beautiful and packaged perfectly. If you're a real person, you buy stuff from Temu, you know that's not true. But shout out for free stuff to take apart. Sorry about the AC unit. I have a giveaway at 2,000 subscribers. What you will win will be announced soon. I'm at 1637 subscribers right now, so not far away. So if you appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. And it's only 2,000 subscribers, so you have a good chance of winning. It'll be easy to win because you'll just have to comment in the video probably a word that I say, since nobody really watches the end of the videos. Let's see, what did I miss? I'm sure I missed one. I have a P.O. box if y'all want to send me stuff to review, or you want a shout out for your business or YouTube or whatever you do. It's in the beginning of the video. Yeah, doing a lot of stuff, so. Alright. So casing, power button, the rubber piece just comes right off. Here's the other casing. So there's the charging port right there, which goes right here. So I'm guessing the charging port's held on by one screw right here, looks like, and it goes right here. The other ones are just dummies. Well, yeah, right here. Here's the screw, and there, and it snapped off on the inside of the plastic here. So it's got 18650 battery, commonly used in like flashlights and vapes and stuff like that. This battery looks disgusting. I'm gonna focus on it. Boy, yeah, this battery looks corroded. It looks horrible. So yeah, a little circuit board, power button, LED 1, 2, 3, and 4, little LED bulbs for your battery power. So yeah. Thanks a lot, Temu. Oh, and then the cover just falls right off too. But man, that battery is just horrible looking. So that's what's inside of a flashlight from Temu that they sent me very, very nicely. They sent me this. Really appreciate it. comment below. I want to hear your stories about Temu, and we're gonna put them in a separate video and title it Temu Reviews. What do you guys think about that? So comment below your experience with Temu, and if we get enough comments, we'll make a separate video and you'll be in them of your actual Temu reviews. Till next time, remember, wouldn't have it any other way. Stay safe. Take it easy.